YouTube. Welcome to my Jamaica crib. Come on in, come on in. So guys, this is the Royalton 1-bedroom penthouse suite with the jacuzzi, private balcony, ocean view. This is how I'm living. So, as soon as you walk in, you see I have a living room here. Nice little glass table.
Console table.
Console table. It's not really anything on there, but you know. This is my dining area right here. It's circular, as you see. I have a living room here. Sometimes I sit down, watch a little bit of TV. You know?
Do you even know where the remote is?
I don't.
Okay.
So, if you come on this way with me, guys, this is my bar. So we've got a full bar. If not for COVID times, we would be fully stocked. However, we're still pretty stocked, just not that stocked. To be honest, I prefer this because this worries me ever since those people died in DR. You know what I'm saying? With the fake alcohol thing. I'll always be worried about that with all this. But this is a brand new, like, unopened bottle. So I like that. So I feel safe that way. So in my bar area here, I have a microwave for heating items.
Oh, you didn't have that in your last room.
No, I didn't. There's a lot of things I didn't have in the last room that I got now. That's why I call it upgrade.
Okay.
So in here, I've got a fridge. She stocked it a lot more because I paid a little bit more for this room, you know what I'm saying? So she gave me a few more items. But yeah, that's how it goes. Beer, anybody?
Sure.
You gotta record, not you.
Oh.
Say you want later. Salute. So as you come on this way, guys, I've got the balcony, but you know we're gonna save that for last. Come with me, come with me. So if you're visiting me here in my suite and you're a guest, I'm gonna let you use the guest bathroom. Come through. So for the guests, we got a little closet here. It lights up when you turn it on. I didn't know that, but I just opened it and turned on, so that's how I knew. As you come on in, full bath, shower, rain head, little seat.
Okay, soaking your thoughts.
Yeah, people like seats, you know? Toilet's a little low for me, but I can work with it. As you come on down this way, if you stay here and you are with a large family, you don't want to do a 2-bedroom, you can actually get this room that'll open up into another bedroom.
Adjoining rooms?
Yes, adjoining rooms. Actually, what's available at the Royalton Negril is you can do, this is a 1-bedroom, you can do a 2 or a 3-bedroom residential suite like this. So if you come with a family, you can definitely make this really nice. So, now, the master suite. This guy's right here, where the magic happens. So in the master, we've got a little artwork here. I like it. I'm not sure what it means, but I like it, you know. This is a chase, I think is what they call that.
Chaise and ottoman.
Chaise and ottoman. Sounds good to me. Now, I know everybody likes to leave the balcony for the last, but here's the thing. In the presidential suite, I got 2 balconies. So right now, I'm gonna show you one.
Is this the presidential suite?
Yes, it is. Are you not in the presidential suite? Yes, you are. Check this out, guys. So this is the Presidential Suite Diamond Club. So I have access to everything here at Diamond Club. That side is for non-Diamond Club.
Correct.
Right. So you see the size of this?
Very large balcony. Long.
Come on with me. Let's go finish this tour. What do you think about the view?
The view is perfection.
Isn't it? There's beautiful views in the grill. Come on up, Jimmy. So guys, depending where you want to sit, what we do is we just move the TV, you know, got full tilt. It's mainly tilt, not full tilt, but you get what I'm going for. I don't want to do too much because if it breaks then I gotta buy it, you know. Alright, come on. So.
Oh, someone's at the door.
Uh-huh. Hey, how are you doing? How are you? Got that here for you? Oh, okay. Welcome again, alright? Thank you.
Hey. Is that your bill?
Yo. They said my credit card declined. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is
A welcome letter?
this is cool, a welcome letter.
Oh, that's nice.
Wow, you see, they didn't welcome me in the other room like this.
Nope, sure didn't. We get nothing.
Presidential. 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 Alright, come through. So, master bath. Double sinks. One for me, one for the missus. She's in the mirror recording video. This is a jacuzzi tub. It doesn't really fit more than one people, but it's a nice concept. I like it.
It's kind of like weird, no? Like, it's not deep.
It's a lot weird.
It's like perfect for a child.
So if you're bringing kids, it's good to bathe them in there. Toddlers.
Why is it so shallow?
In the master, we've got double rainfall showers there. I got this little hose here.
Handheld.
You know, girls like the hose thing for whatever reason. So that's that sink. Now let me show you. In here we got a walk-in closet. Walk in with me. It's not that far to go, I know, but you walked in, right?
I did.
Two people comfortable.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Might fit a third. Very nice.
Yes, very nice.
It's a very nice closet.
A lot of space.
A lot of space. Put your suitcases, put your luggage
I
away.
got my suits up here, you know.
Yes.
So, presidential.
And you all know what a toilet looks like, and that is where the toilet area is.
Right. Yeah. You know, we always forget to show the toilet. We forget how important that is until you gotta go. All right. So now, this, the grand finale, guys. You can walk out from here. You can walk out from the living room. But here it is. Little struggle for. Check this out. This is my other balcony. I got this. All right, so here, this is my private balcony. It is as presidential as it gets. Presidential, presidential. I've got a living area. You see I got some trunks hanging there. I was already out here swimming, so. Then you got the lounge chairs. Views again, overlooking the grill. It's amazing. It's amazing, guys.
So picturesque, like it looks like you're on a postcard.
Yeah, it's unbelievable, these rooms. Then, as you come on up here, I got a private jacuzzi. Check this out, guys. I turn on the bubbles. And that's it. Well, that's about it, guys. That's it for the room tour. I hope you enjoyed the room tour. That's all I got for you. It's a rich and jazzy life. If you want to book this room, hit us up. Just hit us in the comments. Let us know what you think about this room. But as for me, it's time for me to take a dip in my jacuzzi, guys. I'll see you.